Today, I'll show you how to recover a Gmail account. If you forgot your password, lost access to your account, or can't get past the sign-in screen, the good news is that Google has an official recovery process you can use. Google says the main way to recover a Gmail or Google account is through the Google Account Recovery page, where you'll be asked questions to confirm the account really belongs to you. To begin, open the Google Account Recovery page on your phone, tablet, or computer. Enter the Gmail address you want to recover, then follow the steps shown on the screen. Google may ask for your last password, a recovery email, a phone number, or another verification method connected to the account. If you still have access to any of those, use them, because that usually makes recovery faster and easier. If you don't remember every detail, don't worry. Google says you should answer as many questions as possible and try not to skip them. Even if you're not fully sure, your best guess can still help. Google also says wrong guesses will not permanently block you from the recovery process, and there is no limit to the number of recovery attempts. Now, here's one of the most important tips. Google recommends doing account recovery from a familiar device and location. That means using a phone, tablet, or computer where you've signed in before, using the same browser you normally use, and trying from a place like your home or office. These details can improve the chances that Google recognizes the sign-in attempt as legitimate. If Google asks for an old password, enter the most recent one you remember. And if you recently changed your recovery info, keep in mind that Google says those changes can take up to 7 days to fully take effect. Also, if the account is for work, school, or another organization, the normal recovery process may not apply, and you may need to contact your administrator instead. Once you get back into the account, reset your password right away and update your recovery phone number and recovery email so it's easier to recover next time. And that's how to recover a Gmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.